Oh, it's got a getaway hole. But he didn't get away. Oh, wow. Whoa. Well, how about that? This little guy, man, oh man, I have been here for quite a while watching this guy go back and forth because he wasn't in one good area. He kept working back and forth and I didn't see a good place to punch behind him. What's really crazy is this is about 5 feet away from where I caught one last week that was by the tire swing. So moles will move into other moles' territories, but generally speaking, moles are very territorial. You may only have one per every acre or two, or they say an acre and a quarter or something like that. But anyway, hopefully this will take care of this problem that's been by this tire swing. I guess unless another one moves in. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.